Imagine this, a rainy day, city lights reflecting on wet streets, and a lady walking gracefully with an umbrella. What story does she tell? Today I'm going to take you through the journey of creating this beautiful scene on canvas. Hello, wonderful people. My name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. I started with simple sketch, outlining the lady and her umbrella. I wanted to capture her essence of her walking gracefully in the rain. Let me take you back on a rainy day last week. Even though I live in India, I found myself imagining a scene from a modern city abroad. I was sitting by my window watching the rain pour down when I saw her. A lady elegantly walking down the street, holding an umbrella. She moved gracefully and unbothered by the rain. Her presence struck me. Though grey and wet surroundings, she seemed to have her own light. I decided right then to capture that moment on canvas. I wanted to bring out the calmness she radiated despite the rain. Using acrylic paints, I layered different shades of blue and grey to recreate the rainy atmosphere. As I worked on the painting, I kept thinking about her story. Where was she going? What was she thinking? Maybe she was on her way to meet someone special, or perhaps she was simply enjoying her own company in the rain. The reflections on the wet street were a bit tricky, but I loved the challenge. It's all about finding the right balance between light and shadow to make the scene feel alive. Adding the final touches is always my favorite part. Here I am emphasizing on the reflections on the street to bring the scene to life. This painting was inspired by a rainy day I experienced last week. There's something magical about the way rain transforms the world, making everything look fresh and vibrant. For me, this painting is more than just a scene. It's a moment frozen in time, a story waiting to be told. I hope you enjoyed watching this process as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you loved this painting and want to see more, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me and helps me creating beautiful art for you. Thank you for joining me on this artistic journey. Stay inspired, stay creative. I will see you in the next video. And here it is, the finished piece.